We decided to put the spotlight on India's renewable energy story. And first up, let's talk about the drivers that are driving solar move here in India. First up, domestic demand continues to remain very strong for India's solar industry. Export tailwind is also another big positive because demand from US and companies which have started substituting Chinese products also continues to remain very positive. Global diversification is another trend which is turning out to be in favor of India. Aggressive capacity expansion continues to remain underway from major solar-based players in India. So these are the three main players and three main factors which continue to drive solar demand here in India. Let's also put the spotlight on capacity expansion plans. Installed capacity in India in FY25 stood at 106 gigawatt, which is expected to rise to 290 gigawatt by FY30, implying a growth rate of nearly 3 times, and this is only likely to accelerate after FY30 as well. So that's the kind of capacity expansion and capacity addition India is looking at. Let's also talk about the big export opportunity which India's solar players are enjoying. US demand supported by IRA-linked incentives continues to remain very strong. Global customers are diversifying away from China, and that is a big opportunity for India. Indian manufacturers are now emerging as global suppliers, and that is the reason export is a big tailwind for India's solar manufacturer. Let's also talk about company-wise expansion plans then. Premium Energy has modules worth about 11.1 gigawatt, cells capacity of 10.2 gigawatt, and ingot wafers is about 5 gigawatt. So is the case with Vikram Solar and Waaree Energy. Remember, all of them have aggressive capacity expansion plans going forward. They have already lined up capex. So for example, Premium Energy has 12,000 crore of capex lined up for FY26 to 28 period, 11,200 crore for Vikram Solar, and about 25,000 crore for Waaree Energy. They are also looking to diversify in new areas, something like BESS, aluminium frames, backward integration. Vikram Solar is looking to invest 70 to 75% of their capex in backward integration, and Waaree Energy meanwhile is likely to diversify into exports and BESS as well. So yes, these are the factors which continue to remain at play. But let's also talk about some risks which India is facing at this point in time. High policy dependence continues to remain a concern for the industry. Remember, safeguard duty, BCD, which is basic customs duty, and PLI have been driving this push. But if at all we see some kind of policy reform which is not in favor of the industry, this could be a big risk to the industry. Tech shifts demand efficiency upgrades, which is another risk that the industry is facing. So yes, the industry is enjoying capacity expansion plans, but there are also certain risks which continue to remain a headwind